please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Vinod Sharma of HDFC Securities is also here with us. Vinod, hi, good morning. For some people, this rally came out of the blue, the rally that we saw yesterday. I mean, you know, almost 300 points on the Sensex in a day. But do you get a sense that it's just a short covering rally? It could get sold into easily?
Yeah. Good morning, Sonia, and good morning, Lata. I think today what we have, yesterday what we had was a very mature kind of a reaction from the markets. Mature from the point of view that people think that rising of interest rates is bad for the economy. We believe, and we spoke to on my last outing, that markets can rise despite rising interest rates. And we give an example how in 2003 to 2008, the markets multiplied 5 times while the interest rates in India rose from 4.5% to 7.5%. So that is a kind of and now when we have the ECB also talking about end of the bond buying program and the markets going up also indicates that globally the markets are in tandem they are receiving this news rise in interest rates as positive, rather than the things would have been very different if the earnings were not that high. Now earnings are going to, despite the lowering of the earnings for the next quarter, we are still going to have higher earnings. So we believe it's a very mature kind of a relationship, reaction from the markets, and therefore we feel that this rally has more legs to go.
Okay, so which ones are you choosing to go long today?
I'm choosing, if I were to choose one particular stock to ride the entire series, is Tata Motors. This is a stock which has just come up yesterday. It went up by 4%, and we have seen only mild open interest being built up to the extent of 1% in the series, and yesterday the OI was reduced. So my sense is I'm buying the 300 call at 9 rupees with a stop loss at 6 and a target of around 15, which will mean that almost more than 50% return can be had in this option, obviously with that stop loss. Another stock that we believe can be bought is Sun Pharma. Again, the same kind of beaten down stock which has not seen any kind of, let's say, open interest being built, no addition, but the stock went up by 3%, obviously on recommendations from other research houses, and OI has been gradually reduced. So people have used any rise in price to gradually reduce their positions, which I think will lead to people building those positions and the stock moves up and the confidence rises. So I am buying the 500 call at around 11, stop loss at 7, target of around 18.
Okay, well, you spoke about Tata Motors, right? I mean, yes. Those are the Tata Motors JLR UK sales. Remember, it's not the full, the complete JLR global sales. It's only UK, and it's important because they themselves have said that UK markets have been falling quite a bit. In that context, these are good numbers. So Jaguar sales have gone up by almost 20%. Land Rover sales are up by 16.5%, and overall JLR sales are up by about 17%. So maybe some recovery is what you can see. Any other stocks that you're looking at?
Yeah, I have 2 metal stocks. Obviously, this stems from the fact that the stock had participated in yesterday's rally, and this morning, we have better news from the Chinese markets regarding the metals doing well. So that fits into today's scheme of things of morning trade. I am buying the Hindalco 250 call at 7, stop loss 5, target of around 11, and JSW Steel, I am buying the 340 call at 10, stop loss at 7, target of around 15, and one last stock is Titan. This stock, which I have recommended several times on this show, I think yesterday was a good day because it has started rising once again after a sharp fall. So with positions being built and the stock going up by 4% yesterday, I am buying the 900 call at 29, stop loss at 24, and a target around 40.